There's a storm rolling in the night, no clouds hanging in the sky, but I feel it breaking deep inside. Like thunder I can't hide. Your name falls like a whisper every time I catch my breath, and every memory hits harder. Like lightning in my head, I try to hold the weather back, but you left, and it all went black. Now there's rain in my chest, pouring where you used to rest. Every drop is a tear I never cried. Every roll of thunder is the night you said goodbye. I'm drowning in the silence you left, soaked to the bone with regret. Ever since you walked away, there's nothing but rain in my chest. I keep the windows open wide, hoping pain will drift outside, but it floods every corner of this room, like it knows just what to do. Your shadow lingers on the wall, in every crack, in every hole, and I swear I hear you in the wind calling me again. But when I reach, there's empty air, just cold reminders you're not there. Now there's rain in my chest, pouring where you used to rest. Every drop is a tear I never cried. Every roll of thunder is the night you said goodbye. I'm drowning in the silence you left, soaked to the bone with regret. Ever since you walked away, there's nothing but rain in my chest. Maybe someday skies